Today we're going to talk about the handy blower vacuum. My name's Adam Woolcott, I'm an award-winning gardener and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the machine. This is everything you'll find in the box. This is the main unit with the handle, 10 meters of cable. This is your shoulder strap and harness. These are the blow vac tubes with the wheels for ease of use. We have the collection bag and we have the wall bracket for mounting. The first thing we're going to do is attach the handle to the machine. Introduce the handle to the top of the machine facing forward, give a gentle tap and hear it click into place. Connect both ends of the tubes together and then secure through the middle with the long screw. Loosening the top and bottom screws first will make it much easier to insert the tubes into the machine. To secure the tubes to the main machine, just insert the screw and then drive all the way home with a cross-headed screwdriver. Once you've attached the wheels to the tubes, push back until you hit a point of resistance and then secure in place with the small screw through the hole on the side. We're now going to attach the harness to the machine. Locate the eyelet at the base of the handle, drop through, tighten the clasp and then adjust the strap to suit your own needs. We're now going to attach the bag to the machine. Line up, insert, push the lugs down into the machine to their home and in place and then attached to the side to secure the bag and repeat the same process the other side. Finally, the machine comes with a wall hanger and screws for easy storage. This 3000 watt machine has three fantastic features. Firstly, as a blower with a variable speed of up to 167 miles per hour. Also, it's a vacuum with a 10:1 mulching ratio, which means 10 bags of leaves become 1 bag of leaves once they've gone through the machine. And you can very easily go between blow and suction mode using the little lever at the side here, moving up and down. Other amazing features on this machine are 10 meters of cable, a nice easy grip handle as well for good control, and a harness as well to take the weight out of using this product over a long period of time. Also, we've got wheels on the front here as well for great maneuverability, getting around those patio areas and all those different areas of the garden. And this is a machine that you're going to use all the way through the year. Obviously in the autumn for leaves and so on. In the spring, you can use it for blossom from the magnolia trees and the cherry trees. And you can use the vacuum mode as well for lifting leaves out of the beds and borders or rockeries or really awkward areas. So don't struggle anymore with rakes and brooms and brushes. Use this fantastic machine with its three great features and don't let leaves and garden debris be a problem for you any longer. Thank you for watching The Handy. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. And for more tips, don't forget to subscribe.